Clicking the Explore button on your MFI account homepage brings you to a table called Product Recipes. In the MFI tool, we use the term recipes to refer to unit processes that convert material and energy inputs into a product. These products are listed in the second column of the table, with the process or recipe name listed in the first column. You'll also notice that these recipes have lock icons in the proprietary column. A red lock means the recipe data is from a proprietary source and can't be displayed due to the source copyright. A recipe with a gray unlocked icon means it came from a publicly available source and it will show more details about the material and energy inputs required. There are search boxes below each column header where you can search for a product or process of interest. Once you've found what you're looking for, open the recipe by selecting Action Show. When you open an MFI recipe, you'll be able to see many different pieces of data associated with it, including the name, product, product quantity, unit of that quantity, the source of the recipe, as well as a table of inputs used to make the quantity of the product. The ammonia from natural gas by steam reforming recipe, for example, is a non-proprietary recipe. It shows that the steam reforming of natural gas to produce ammonia, a process pulled from the U.S. Life Cycle Inventory database, requires some amount of water, electricity, natural gas, and air. Note that the natural gas input is separated out into two rows: process and feedstock. In ammonia production, natural gas is consumed as both an energy source and as the raw material used to make the ammonia, so MFI tracks those uses separately. Returning to the main product recipe table using the back arrow button, you'll see that products with more than one method of production currently used in the U.S. industry have a number in the baseline weight column. This number indicates what fraction of production is assigned to that process. A recipe with a baseline weighting of 1 means that recipe is the only one used to model the manufacturing of the given product. A baseline weight of 0 indicates that the recipe is not currently being used in the supply chain models, but is available as an option for production in a customized MFI scenario. Building your own customized MFI supply chain scenario is covered in the next chapter of this MFI tutorial series.